Hi friends, today we are moving to the practical session of SAP FICO tutorial. So we have learned the theoretical steps, half of the portion. So we'll see the practical session of it. So first step we have learned in FICO is create or define company. So path, SPRO, SAP reference image, then enterprise structure. Next is definition, financial accounting, define company. So here we will go for new entries. So we can give the company code, that is a empty. Company name here I am giving is McDonald's. You can give any other options you like. Then street I am giving Kanakanagar. Kanakanagar I am giving. Then city I'll give Bangalore. Country IN for India, language key EN for English, currency INR, Indian rupee. Then we can save the details. Okay, then continue. The next step we have learned is define company code. So /n is for moving to the main page. SPRO, SAP reference image, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Now click on edit company code data, new entries. Company code we have given MD. Company name again we'll give McDonald's. City Bangalore. Country IN, currency INR and language EN. Now save. Click on save. Now title, it's given company name McDonald's. Then again we have asked for street, that is Kanakanagar. Earlier we have given Kanakanagar. Then city Bangalore. Country IN, region I will give 10. Then click on save. So that also saved. So now that we have created company and defined company code.